Hello everybody, my name is Tomasz Nowacki, founder of Unilogo Robotics and co-founder of Futura Robotics Group. Today I'm going to explain one more functionality very important for our flexible line architecture, product feeding. There are various product feeding options in these lines depending on the way your suppliers are delivering components for your factory. In this case, these components are delivered on the pallet in trays. So you can see our customer, Hagleitner, cares a lot about quality of the components, and they are afraid that if they will be delivered in bulk, they might scratch surface. So the products are delivered in these trays, and our system is able to unpack these trays and put them in the intelligent conveyor. It's very important for the flexible line to have very flexible feeding options. So in spite of normal unscrambling module, standard unscrambling module that I explained in other story, we have this tray depacking module. This is the simplest tray depacking we have because trays has to be fed manually to the conveyor. In more advanced options, we have also direct pallet depacking. So there is another robot which depacks whole pallet into the machine. So, but you will see this maybe at the end of the movie. So basically, in this case, trays are fed manually or by robot to this station. There is a robot inside which is feeding them directly into the Akopos truck. So there are format parts, of course, printed in 3D, that sometimes can be adjusted for different types of product. In this case, you see a product has this kind of shape, it's triangular, very special shape. But of course, this kind of packaging of components is used for many different bottles, especially high-end products. Glass bottles can be also delivered this way. Very fragile components, expensive golden cups, and a lot of components used with the luxury cosmetics. So basically, robotic system. I'm going to show you robotic system. Yeah? So you can see inside, these trays are fed into the machine. Robot is picking them by 4 and inserting into the intelligent transport module, as you can see on the movie. And then these trays are moved back to this direction. So basically there is a U-shaped movement of trays plus manual or automatic depacking of the pallets. So this functionality, of course, fits perfectly into whole Cleanline architecture. You see it integrates smoothly between bottle unscrambler and filler in this machine, and still remember it's a modular system. It's cloud connected, reporting all the process parameters to our PackOS platform. You can print parts in 3D, and it can deliver you very flexible production platform. Thank you very much.